How we can have headers on all pages in Microsoft Excel that we are going to print. You can see we are going to print the 6 pages and on all pages we have the headers. How we can do that? Here we have a table. Let's say we want to print this table. If we select this table and we click on Ctrl P shortcut key, and here you can see on first page we have the headers. If we go to the second, third, fourth, even sixth page, we don't have the header. We have only header on the first page. How we can enable header on all pages? For this, we will simply select the table or data that we want to print that we have been selected already. We will go to page layout tab. In page layout, click on the print titles. In print titles window, you can go to the sheet tab. In sheet tabs, rows to repeat at top, click here and select the rows that you want to repeat on all pages. We will select the headers. We will go to print preview. Now we check if we have headers on all pages or no. On first page we have headers. If we go to second page, third, fourth, fifth, sixth pages, on all pages we have headers now. So this is the way how we can enable headers on all pages that we are going to print. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.